Welcome to this lesson, which is how to create a pre-registration page using Evntree. So Evntree is a platform that we have created at Crowdsauce, and it was created because we were sick of using technology which didn't give us the full capabilities that we needed when running pre-registration campaigns for events. So, I mean, a lot of the technology options we had, it was MailChimp or a WordPress website or built-in form here, or we had nothing. We'd already started building websites which had all this technology in, but again, someone would come to us with a brief, like they launch an event tomorrow, and in most cases we didn't have the time to then create these custom websites. So we thought, okay, let's put all that technology into a platform where we can create a landing page in 2 minutes and everybody wins. So that's what we've got. The final product is a very simple registration platform. People can come in and create a landing page at the URL. It's evntr.ee, so Evntree. They come in and they put in their event details, their images, their embeds, and some call to actions. They can connect with different CRMs. So we have MailChimp, Brevo, Bird, Klaviyo, Digital, and we can add any more integrations if you're an event promoter and you want to use this. But here's just a few examples. We're using this for pretty big events at the moment. So here's loads of events that we've done. Some of them are in pre-registration still, some of them are on sale. So yeah, I'll dive deep into the platform, how to set it up. I'll leave a link in the description to how to get a free month. But yeah, so once you've created your account, you can come over to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see the landing pages that you've created. So these are just some kind of dummy ones. First thing you want to do is connect to your CRM. So we have guides for Brevo, Bird, MailChimp, and also how to kind of install the Metapixel. So all you need to do, so we're going to do the Bird one. So we already kind of set up our CRM with Bird, and in the Bird setup guide, all we need to do is get our access key. So we need a workspace owner access key. So you can come into Bird, you can go into developer, and then preferences, API access keys, and you want to add a new access key, and just call this Evntree API key, and it needs to be organization owner. So if you hit save, let's give it a description, used for Evntree, save, and copy that key, put that into your Bird API. And you also need your Bird organization ID. So let's just see if this link works. So here, so you copy this organization ID. Then once you have that, you need to choose your workspace. So we want Event Marketing Academy, update. Let's just double check that that's saved. API keys, Bird workspace, Event Marketing Academy. So just refresh it, hit update, and then we're all set up. That Bird's connected. So next up, you can just come to your dashboard and create a new landing page. So we'll just run through some of the details. So your path, so let's just call this EMA because it's going to be the Event Marketing Academy Festival. Event Marketing Academy Festival. Subtitle, sign up for pre-sale tickets. Description, so this is the text. For the first time, Elliot is inviting you all to the EMA Festival. Register for tickets. So you can obviously provide a lot more information here. Venue name, let's do it. Where should we do it? Where's a good venue? Let's do festival Victoria Park in London. I'm just going to Victoria Park in London just to get an address. This was used to be my local park, so Grove Road, and By adding this, people will be able to get directions. Age limit, yes, you've got to be 18. Redirect URL, this is if you want the page to redirect as soon as somebody lands on it. So it's good if your pre-registration's over and you want to redirect straight to a ticketing page, for example. So let's put some key dates. So it's just going to be a start date. Let's put it as August 23rd. Starts at 12 and it ends August 23rd. And we'll end at 10 because we all like to go to bed early. On sale, so we want to do tickets will be released, say, what are we on, 8th of June, Tuesday at 12. So you can start to see a preview here. So you have on sale, Tuesday 17th at 12, event, Saturday 25th of August, Victoria Park. So you actually hit direction to open to Google Maps, or you can add it to Google or iCal. All the functionality we've talked about elsewhere in the course. Media, so we can add a cover image. So let's just add the EMA logo. You can compact that on desktop, otherwise it will spread across the page. So we'll do that. If you want, you can add an organizer logo, which will show here. So it's almost like a profile picture. You can add an image gallery. I haven't got many images at the moment, so I'm just going to add the logo again to show you. So that would give you an image gallery. Embeds, so what have we got here? You can embed an iframe for tickets. You can embed YouTube videos. I'll just leave that blank for now. You can embed Soundcloud. Let's go to the form. So we're in pre-sale. So when you're in pre-sale, it's a registration. On sale will be a ticket link. Waiting list will be a waiting list, and hidden will just hide the form. So we want to be in pre-sale, and we also want to collect phone number and maybe first name. We'll just leave it as phone number for now. Button text is all customizable, so register. Forced consent means people need to agree to the consent. This varies depending on where you are. So we're going to do Crowdsauce Limited, as that's the company. Privacy policy, we can do eventmarketingacademy.co/privacy. And if you need to add additional privacy policies, you can do that here. So sometimes if you've got guests or you need to share the data, you can add to that organization. And then you can see in the export who actually opted in for that. You can also redirect after someone signed up. You can update the confirmation message. So I normally do your registration is confirmed. Most events we do join the WhatsApp community for event updates and early tickets. So if you just want to preview this, your registration has been confirmed, join the WhatsApp community. So we can hide that, join WhatsApp community, and then you can just link to a WhatsApp button. If you preview that now, that's what it would look like. This is great, as soon as people sign up, they're really engaged. So try and have a call to action here, which does something useful. Line up, so you can add guests here. You can connect people on Spotify. So say I had my favorite, I like Kiasmos. So we can add Kiasmos in here, add them to the lineup. You can just do that as normal guests. You can just add guests in an image if you've got speakers or guests or artists. There's also stream links. So this is more if you wanted to use Evntree as a kind of artist stream link. You can put in all your stream links. Tracking, this is where you'd add in your pixel ID. So if I went to the Crowdsource website and just got the Crowdsource pixel ID, and I want to put that on my page, I can do it here. You can also add a second pixel if you need to. TikTok pixel, Snap pixel, and Google Analytics, so you can track all these across multiple platforms. Customization, we can add it on dark mode, and we can also change the button background, so we can use a nice snippet here, so we can use our Crowdsource colors. That all looks pretty nice in my opinion. Dark mode, light mode. SEO, so you can customize the meta title. So as soon as this is shared, you can customize it. If not, then it'll just use the default stuff. So you can normally just leave this blank. And then data, you can choose where to send it. So we want to send it to Bird, and we want to send it to our My Students list, if you remember we created. So we hit submit. So there it is. So that's published. So we hit view. Now we can see it in action. I think it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. So I'm going to sign up Elliot at eventmarketingacademy.co. I'm just going to put in a fake number, not my number if you're going to try and message me. Hit register. And done. Your registration has been confirmed. Join the WhatsApp community. So, you know, in approximately 5 minutes, we've created an account, got it set up, connected it with our CRM, and you can see like pixel tracking, we have page view, and then we have complete registration. So we can optimize and we can retarget based on people that have done these specific actions. And if we come back into Bird, hopefully if everything worked well, we go into our audience, contacts, our contacts are there, and it's gone. Has it gone into the list? There we go. Elliot Event Marketing Academy straight into the list. And then if you set up that automation, then this email would get the welcome email. And that's about it. You know, Evntree, very simple, solving a very simple problem. And yeah, let me know if you've got any questions. If not, I'll see you in the next lesson.